Welcome to my channel. I hope you all enjoy the video. Like, share and subscribe. Okay, so guys, I've washed the glass, but there are a little bit stain at the bottom. Still, it won't matter cause that's the bottommost part of the glass. I'm going to wipe it to remove the watermarks. Okay, so I've done most of it. Now we'll be doing the whole process again. I'm going to be adding the rocks for the drainage. That should do it. I'm going to be leveling them so that they form one layer. And once all the rocks are settled down, we'll be adding our barrier, the mesh, but I'm going to be using plastic. So I just found there was a little more dirt lying at the bottom, so I washed it again and rinsed them with dechlorinated water. I will just wipe. Earbuds are a much better option, but I'm just gonna try. Oh. I think that should do pretty well. Okay, I'm going to be leveling them once again. Now I'm going to be adding the mesh or yeah, I just used plastic one. It's really easy to make a plastic mesh like this. You just need a plastic sheet and you have to keep the bottle above, trace it with a pen or with a knife. I've done it, so I won't be doing it again. And then we'll be got stuck. Then you'll be getting this something like this. Then all you have to do is poke it, create a few holes, so that the main intention for this is to keep the substrate or the raw sand and the rock, the false bottom, separate from each other. If the sand gets too wet, it's going to cause many diseases, which my sand is already wet, but I will be using the same thing over there at this side. This is just too big for it, but still it's okay to have a big one. Okay, so now we have set the mesh. I just added a few more soil. Okay, I'm just gonna level it out using this knife so that the weight puts it down. The weight puts it down. So while doing this, you have to keep in mind that it won't come out as you want. So you'll have to just let go some of it. As I have. Okay. Now, as you know, we have a few living creatures in here. I'm going to using this leaf litter. These are the small decaying leaf. Make sure they're dried. I'm going to be crushing it given the small space of our terrarium. Okay, this is the smaller one. I'll be using it for another terrarium in another video. added a few more little leaves. That's more than enough, I guess. Otherwise we won't have the space to put the plants. Okay, now with the plants, I'm going to be adding that same plants. Let's begin with a fern-like plant. So over here, this thing, it has got a little small sprout from here. At the tip of my finger, yeah, that small green-like thing. Okay, I will be adding him first. Let me just even out the space required. Okay, now we're going to be adding it. So I brought a little more dirt. Okay. Let's hope it doesn't destroy the plant. Okay. We are. Okay, now these plants, I don't know what they are or what they are called. Let's just call them small plants for the moment. We'll create a few space for them over this side. Yeah. There you go. Okay, and there it goes. Needs a little bit. Once that I'm satisfied with this, I will be moving on with my other plants. Now the next small plant with very small leaves, tiny leaves. I will be adding him over this here. So just a lot of leaf litter. Okay. Seal it. Just add a few more sand. Again. You'll have to be a bit more careful. Okay, so this sand already has a few children of the isopods. I can't focus in on them. Yeah, over there you can see a white thing moving. Okay, so it's good to know that they are still in there. The thing is, I think the plastic will be a obstruction for the roots of these plants. Anyways, I am my last of the plants. A small grass like plant. Adding it over here. Move it. Okay, I think this is it. We have completed our most of it. Terrarium is almost complete. Our fern is already dying out. I have to complete this quickly. Okay, so our last piece is the moss, which will go in the center of this. Firstly, I'll have to move aside all of them. Okay, now I'll keep my moss. Shit. Yes, hooray. Okay. It's a view from above. But although I will utilize them using this extra leaf litter that I have, I will crush them into powder onto manageable pieces and just keep them over there as a food for our little friends. They are the only crustaceans that live on land, I think. These small rocks. Just gonna be sprinkling them and let them fall wherever they want to. Just gonna move right there. Okay. Don't know what happened to this. It's very. Looks like it's going to die. Okay. Here we are with it. Now the leaf eater that is going to occupy this spot. Firstly, I'm going to be creating small powders by crushing them. This should do. I will be just sprinkling them in. Okay, so that's it. Now let's add our real guys. I don't know where are they. They're probably under the log. Okay, first I will be adding this ant lion over here. I was gonna shake him. Okay, let's see if it goes this way. Yeah, the phone is dead. Ooh. Okay, so here he is. This is like the biggest one that I have seen. Here he goes below. Then you have the other one. Okay, now I'm going to be adding the the water using the syringe so that it doesn't destroy our design or the delicate plants. Just pour it like that from the side. will pass through this barrier. It will reach here at the rocky bottom, the false bottom. It's going to evaporate back. It's going to rain down by the process of condensation. It's just really beautiful. I'm going to be closing this now. And here we are with our terrarium ready. Okay, so it's pretty confused, I think. Oh, they both met in their fighting? No. It's crossing sides. And that's it, guys. And our terrarium